What is an alkaline diet and why it is so important? Everything around us is either acidic or high alkaline, living or non-living. It will only fall on these two categories. Human beings were designed to consume alkaline-based foods because the pH level of our blood is determined by the food we eat. Humans are alkaline organisms. Therefore, getting high alkaline foods is good for your body to maintain its natural alkaline content. Here are 7 high alkaline foods to keep on your diet. Spinach. Spinach has been found to contain maximum benefits and is highly alkaline. It can be consumed raw or cooked with equal effect. Other leafy green vegetables such as lettuce, fenugreek leaves, basil and more are also extremely good as alkaline foods. They also contain a lot of minerals and vitamins as an added advantage. Cucumber. Raw cucumber is not only a zero-calorie vegetable, it is highly alkaline when consumed raw. It is delicious and contains a lot of nutritional benefits. Cucumber improves overall digestion and keeps your skin fresh and glowing. It contains healthy alkaline water that helps in flushing out unwanted wastes from the body. Banana. Banana can be considered a whole food due to its numerous dietary advantages. It gives instant energy and is hugely alkaline. In fact, if you are suffering from severe acidic problems, a banana diet can work wonders in reducing the burning sensation and indigestion remarkably. Bananas have healthy sugar content and can be consumed by anyone irrespective of his health condition. Celery. Celery is a delicious alkaline food that can help you immensely in keeping your pH levels at normal range of 7. When half-cooked, it gives maximum nutritional value and can be eaten as fresh salad too. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious and alkaline foods that has proved itself time and again. It is easily digestible and is a rich source of valuable minerals such as carotene and calcium. These minerals help in improving immunity and combat diseases in a remarkable manner. Avocado. This wonder fruit is a rich source of alkaline food and has an overall benefit in maintaining good health. Avocado improves your hemoglobin content and is extremely beneficial in restoring a disease-affected body. Bell pepper. Bell pepper is a rich antioxidant and can be useful whether eaten cooked or raw. It is not only of high alkaline and nutritional value, it is also very delicious and adds taste to any dishes that are prepared with bell pepper for flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.